Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm answering a question: why won't a criminal defense lawyer take your case? Or what are the things that might prevent a criminal defense lawyer from taking your case? Now, believe it or not, this happens quite often. And the first and the primary reason that you won't be able to represent somebody or a new person coming into your office would just be that you had a conflict of interest. Maybe you represented the alleged victim in their case. Maybe you represented someone that's involved as a witness in their case, and that conflicts you out of being able to help the new person. This doesn't mean that the criminal defense lawyer doesn't want to help you or anything of that nature. It just means that there are legal implications to representing two different parties, and that lawyer, because of those legal implications, can't represent the second party. Another reason that a particular lawyer might not take your case is simply that it might not be their specialized area of practice. There are plenty of people that come into our office and say, I need a lawyer for this. And I say, well, we don't do that type of law, or we don't have the lawyer who specializes or focuses their practice on just representing people like you. So you might be better served by going and seeing another lawyer. Usually, if that happens, I will give the primary person in that field of practice, someone who specializes in that area, and say, go talk to this person. This is who I would hire if I was in that type of trouble. Now, another reason that a lawyer might not take your case is simply just workload. Lawyers are just like everyone else, and sometimes they get busy. The last thing you want to do is have your lawyer take on your case and then not be able to invest the proper amount of time to getting you a good result. Just because a lawyer declines your case because they have a busy workload doesn't mean anything negative against you. It just means that the lawyer is upholding their ethical duty to represent that client zealously. If they don't have the time to do it, then they shouldn't take on the new case. And lastly, probably the least common reason that a criminal defense lawyer might not take your case is just a personality conflict. A criminal defense lawyer or a private defense lawyer gets to choose what clients they take on. If you come into the meeting and the client and the lawyer just aren't on the same page, maybe the client is asking the lawyer to do something unethical, or for whatever reason, you just don't connect, or you don't feel like there's going to be a good working relationship going forward, then sometimes it's best just at the outset to say, maybe I'm not the right lawyer for you, and give your case off to somebody else that might be able to better mesh with the new client. Now, if you've been accused of a crime, you need help with the criminal defense process, feel free to contact my office for a free consultation.